Are you or someone you know struggling to pay for expensive brand name medicines? If so, there is help. Did you know that the major pharmaceutical companies in the United States last year gave away over $5 billion in free medicine to people in need? We can help you, just like we have helped thousands of others receive their much-needed medications. Just like Jerry W., who writes, "My medications are so costly that I was using charge cards to purchase them, and it kept putting me into deeper and deeper debt. Thank you for helping me." Or Louise M., who writes, "I thought I could do it myself, and I tried, but it was too much. After using the wrong paperwork, sending it in, and waiting several weeks, I finally found out that I wasn't accepted, so I gave up. Thank God I found you. You are truly an answer to my prayers. No longer will you have to worry over having to choose between groceries, utilities, or the medicines you need. There is help. Sometimes trying to find out about these free programs, completing the correct forms, obtaining the information from your doctor, can all be very overwhelming. Then you will be required to do this for each one of the medicines you need, not just once, but every 3 to 4 months. Who has the time, patience, and knowledge to keep up with it all? We do. We encourage you to find out more about us and who we are, because you owe it to yourself to get all the help you need.